Jinkies, everybody! Welcome to another episode of Wrestling with Beauty. It is I, the broke beauty guru, Lexa Rose, and I am here with a fun-filled Mystery Machine episode of Wrestling with Beauty. This one is actually going to be inspired by Scooby Doo! And I'm really excited. I grew up with Scooby Doo. I also watched a pup named Scooby, which was actually one of my... I actually used to know the lyrics to that, but I don't want to digress or anything like that. So, with that being said, let's continue my trip down to my childhood memory lane of cartoons and get this, a butterfly, and I think I know who it is visiting me. Butterflies are the spirits of loved ones who have passed, and they come back to visit you to give you reassurance and also to let you know that your blessings are coming. So, that was actually wonderful to see. So, let's get this tutorial started, guys. Okay, so we're going into our professional primer from Benefit. Just a little bit. A little dab of do. Dab. I'm just gonna put this on the face. Cover up the nooks and crannies. My face is like an English muffin. Gotta cover up the nooks and crannies. Onto my Huda Beauty Cheesecake Foundation. I'm gonna put that on the face. Now to put the foundation on properly, or spread it on. Okay, once again, time for our concealing contouring combo. Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral, Hula Quickie Contour Stick. Okay, now grab the same sponge and start blending everything together. Okay, so now we're gonna use our air spun and we're gonna set the face. Okay, now we're gonna go into our contouring kit and we're gonna just start throwing the contour on. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna do the crease, but we don't need to do transition or anything like that. We're gonna just start with the dark color first, then build it to gradually lighter to kind of blend it out. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do blue for the collar and Scooby's, I guess the tag on his collar? Yeah. And then what we'll do is we'll do yellow underneath and in the inner corners to signify, of course, the yellow in his collar because it's so little yellow. And then what we're gonna do is up here we're gonna just do the Scooby spots. So we're gonna go right into our Jacqueline Hill palette and we're gonna hit up this brown color, or these two more accurately, and then maybe a little bit of this dark, and we're just gonna pile it on and make it dark brown because Scooby is a Great Dane and he has dark brown fur. So we're just gonna throw this on and then we'll start blending it out as we go along. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start blending out this dark brown and we're gonna hit up these two colors and we're just gonna throw it right on top just to kind of blend it out into the brow bone. Okay, so I decided to go with a different change of direction. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a halo look. So it's gonna be teal on the outside and then yellow on the inside. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna go into our Tarte Shape Tape Concealer so that we could start prepping the lid itself for the halo look because there's so much brown on top. And we're just gonna go right into that. And we're just gonna do the whole lid and then we'll start with the teal and then we'll probably put a little bit more concealer in the middle. But this is mostly for the side, so I just wanna do the whole thing just to be on the safe side. Okay, so now that we've got the creases cut, we're gonna go right into our Take Me Back to Brazil and we're gonna hit up these two teal colors because I believe like they're the closest to Scooby's collar anyway, so, because he wears like a blue collar. And then later on, we'll get to the end where we do the little spots, you know, Scooby spots. But we're gonna put this on the inner and outer corner. Next, we're gonna go into the yellow and we're gonna hit up this yellow and we're gonna just throw that right on the middle. Okay, so next we're gonna go right into this greenish color and we're gonna just use that to blend the yellow and the blue. Okay, so next we're gonna put in our blush. Okay, now for highlight, we're gonna go into Lucky Clover, which is kind of a greenish. It matches the kind of teal, so we're gonna just throw that on. Okay, so as you can tell, I put the spots on. I had a little bit of issue with the liner and the concealer, but ooh. Y'all see that? Anyways, we're finishing with the lips, and we're going into Jeffree Star's Liquid Lip Velour in Sagittarius. For some reason, when I'm putting this on, I don't know if it's the doe foot or it's the formula, but it tickles my lips a lot. Not that it's a bad thing, but it tickles. Okay, and this is the completed Scooby Doo look called, well, Scooby Doo. Scooby Doo is one of the favorite shows I loved watching growing up. I watched them all. Pup Named Scooby Doo, 13 Ghosts of Scooby Doo, Scooby Doo Mysteries, Where Are You Scooby Doo, What's New Scooby Doo, like every single Scooby Doo that's ever come out, except for the really new one that the Cartoon Network came out with, and they pretty much butchered the entire animation. Yeah, won't watch that one. I feel like it's a disgrace to Scooby Doo himself. You know, it was really, I love the movies, all of them. I thought it was great that Freddie Prinze Jr. and Sarah Michelle Gellar, who are husband and wife, played Freddie and Daphne, and they touched upon the whole, like, relationship between them. So that's another reason why I loved Scooby-Doo. The inside jokes. And one of the most important lessons about Scooby-Doo was that the real monsters were really human. I watched every single, like, Scooby-Doo, the 13 Ghosts of Scooby-Doo with Vincent Price, and they were all shows that defined my childhood. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you liked it. I had so much fun. I hope you enjoyed my look. This is Lexa Rose, the Broke Beauty Guru, with another episode of Wrestling with Beauty. Bye, guys.